See ya. Hey guys, I do Trains here, and in today's video we are doing trains at... it's leaving. 158, 888 and 884, 158, 890 and 880. We are doing trains at Dean and also Dean level crossing, because there's a level crossing here. See you when something comes in. Alright guys, here is the Dean station sign and stuff. Just crossing the crossing right now to the other side. Basically, one platform, I'm not sure which platform, I think that platform is Hampshire, and that platform is Wiltshire. So we're basically right on the edge. And you can see clearly all the way down both sides of the track, because it's straight, which is quite crazy. There's another sign there, and there's the barrier and thing up there. A shot from the level crossing now. One 165-131 and 165-133. $90 miles an hour to 166-213. One 158-880 and 158-890. Going into the station now. 159-108 has also just come in. Can't really see it, but it's right there. 158-880 and 90 leaving now for Romsey via Chandler's Ford. One 159 and 108 is also now leaving. Approaching now is some, probably, I think it's just one, DB66. Yep, just one. Oh no, there's two. So, we had, oh, I've already forgot the numbers. I'll tell you in a second. That was 66-128 and 66-092, DB and DWS. Approach now is GW1-158. One 158-167. That was 158-766 and 771. Coming in now is double pairing of 158s heading to Salisbury. One 158-884 is on the front with 888 that's going to be on the back.
888!
158-884 and 888 should be leaving now. By the way, that line on the screen right there, that's the sun. Guys, coming in now is the last train of the video, 159108. 108! Alright guys, I hope you've enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya!